Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is 3 to the power of 11 plus 9 to the power of 11 plus 27 to the power of 11 divided by 27 to the power of 11 minus 1. So in this problem we need to find the value of this term. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So the question is 3 to the power of 11 plus 9 to the power of 11 plus 27 to the power of 11 divided by 27 to the power of 11 minus 1. So now 3 to the power of 11 plus, so here we have 9, right? We can write this 3 times 3 whole to the power of 11 plus, here we have 27, right? We can write this 3 times 9 whole to the power of 11 divided by, so here we have 27, right? We can write this 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 11 minus 1. So now a to the power of a times b whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m times b to the power of m. So use this formula. Here we can write 3 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 11 times 9 to the power of 11 divided by 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 11 minus 1. So now you can see here, you can observe here, in these three terms we have common, that is 3 to the power of 11. So we can take out 3 to the power of 11 as a common. Now, so here we are taking out 3 to the power of 11 as a common. Here we'll get 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus 9 to the power of 11 divided by 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 11 minus 1. So now, so 3 to the power of 11, 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus, so here we have 9, right? We can write this 3 square whole to the power of 11 divided by 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 11 minus 1. So here a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n whole to the power of m. So apply this formula. Here we can write 3 to the power of 11, 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus, so here we are changing the terms. So 3 to the power of, so 11 we are writing 11 inside and we are writing 2 outside, whole to the power of 2 divided by, so same here 3 to the power of 11 whole to the power of 3 minus, so here we can write 1 cube. So now see here, this is in a form of a cube minus b cube, right? So we know this formula, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So use this formula. Here we can write 3 to the power of 11, 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 11 whole to the power of 2 divided by, so here you can write, so 3 to the power of 11 minus 1, so a square, so this is a value, right? A is equal to 3 to the power of 11 and b is equal to 1. So 3 to the power of 11 whole square plus ab, 3 to the power of 11 times 1 plus b square, b value is 1 square. So now 3 to the power of 11, 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 11 whole square divided by 3 to the power of 11 minus 1. So now 1 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 11 whole to the power of 2. So these both equations are same. So these both are get cancelled. So now 3 to the power of 11 divided by 3 to the power of 11 minus 1. So here 3 to the power of 11 is equal to, we can write this 3 to the power of 5 plus 5 plus 1. So a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So use this formula. Here we can write 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 1. So here, so 3 to the power of 5 is equal, so 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 to the power of 5, which is equal to 243. So now 243 times, so 3 to the power of 5, which is equal to 243, right? So 243 times 3. So here first we are multiplying these terms. 243 times 243. 243 times 243. So 3 times 3, 9. So 9. So 3 times 4, 12. 2. So 3 times 2, 6, 7. Times 4 times 3, 12. 2. So 4 times 4, 16. 17. So 7. So 4 times 2, 8. So 8, 9. So 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So 9. 2 plus 2, 4. So 7, 7, 14. So 14, 20. So 9, 11, 19, 5. So here we got 243 times 243, which is equal to 59049. So 59049. So here 243 times 243, this value 59049 times 3. So now multiply these two terms. So 59049 times 3. So 3 times 9, 27. So 3 times 4, 2, 4. So 3 times 0, 0, 1. So 3 times 9, 27, 7. So 3 times 5, 15, 17. So here we got so 3 to the power of 11 is equal 177,147. So this is the value of 3 to the power of 11. So now in place of 3 to the power of 11, we will write this term. So 177,147 divided by 177,147 minus 1. So now, so 17714. So here 7, right? 4, 7. We can write this 4, 6 plus 1 divided by. So 177,147 minus 1, which is equal to 177,146. So now, so subtract these terms, then we will get 177,146 divided by 177,146 plus 1 by 177,146. So these both are get cancelled. Now 1 plus 1 by 177,146. So now here we got this term, right? We can also write this term as a fraction. So 1 times 1 over 177,146. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you and take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.